Hello, my little chickadees. It's story time. Yay! Okay, today's book is called Zippy on a Windy Beach. It is written by Jade Matry and illustrated by Violet Lim and edited by Zippy. Okay, are you ready to go? Okay, enjoy. Bye. Before Mama and Papa were born, Zippy was a fresh-faced, pretty girl in a linen yellow dress, smiling on the beach, her brown hair flying in the wind. She wore pink lipstick and pink nail polish. Zippy sang like a bird, and her voice made people stop what they were doing to listen. Her voice made people happy. If you listen hard, you can imagine it now. Sleep, my child, and peace be with you all through the night. Or, zippity-doo-dah, zippity-yay, ooh, my oh my, what a wonderful day, a plenty of sunshine coming my way, a zippity-doo-dah, a zippity-yay, or summertime, and the living is easy. Fish are jumping, and the cotton grows high. I like to cuddle with Zippy in her soft cotton pajamas. She wraps her arms around me and squeezes, sometimes a little too tight, and she sneaks in kisses too, but I like that. Can you imagine what Zippy's eyes have seen? Houses pop up in empty blocks, trees grow, flowers bloom every spring. The seasons flit past like the wings of a bird. When Zippy held your mama in a cotton blanket and whispered how much she was loved, those eyes saw your mama's first smile. It was a sidelong smile at first, then wide and joyful as your mama realized her own power. Zippy has seen babies grow into children and children into adults, and your mama grow into a loving mother. And when Zippy met Papa, he was just 15 years old, and she watched him become a man and to be an amazing father. When I snuggle beneath Zippy's arms in bed, I show her the picture I painted at school. Turn on the light, she says, and she takes out her glasses. That helps her see a little bit, like she did before. Zippy's ears have heard so many things you can't imagine. She has heard the shouts of laughter of children 62 years ago. She has heard happy birthdays sung in a chorus of voices by everyone that she knows at almost every age they've ever been, hundreds and hundreds of times. When I tell Zippy what I did on the weekend, she gets so excited and wants to hear all about my adventures. When I tell a joke I heard on the bus, she laughs and laughs and laughs. Okay. I love to hear Zippy laughing. That is something that people carry their whole life through. When she laughs, I hear the warm, hearty chortle, then the way she lets it fade away, as though it might come back at any moment. I like when we take walks. We see every little bird that hops across our path. We see caterpillars on the concrete and clouds scudding over the sky. Zippy thinks they look like mountains, and I see a big white rabbit. Sometimes I wish that Zippy and I were the same age. What would we do together? I imagine we would climb trees as high as we could go and look out over the tops of all the houses and talk about everything we wanted to do when we were older, and imagine what it would be like to be a bird. I think we would look at the clouds and I would see a castle and she would see an aquarium filled with thousands of different fish. You know, Zippy loves playing with me. We play all kinds of pretend games like house and school. She even taught me ballet and how to walk on the wild side. But even though we can't climb trees, I can still tell her stories, and she can imagine the things that I see in her mind. Because our minds love being together, and in both of our minds, she is that same fresh, pretty girl on the windy beach and always will be. The end. So, you didn't expect that, did you? I had fun. I hope you did too. Mwah! That's it, kids. Now, what I'm sure you're going to do is say, again, again. So press that little button. And if you'd like me to read more stories, just let me know and I will record some more for my little chickens. Mwah! I love you guys. Love, 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 Zippy.